Namaste students, myself Vishnu Samotia, Faculty of Education and Methodology, JOT Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Welcome my digital class. So now student, my topic is volumetric analysis. Now we discuss volumetric analysis. It is a general terms for the method is quantitative chemical analysis in which the amount of substance is determined by the measurement of volume that is substance occupies. It is commonly used to determine is known as a concentration of is non-reactant. Volumetric analysis is often referred to the titration, a laboratory techniques in which one substance of non-concentration and volume is used to react with another substance is unknown concentration. So definition terms in volumetric analysis is the involve the preparations, storage and measurement of volume of chemicals for analysis. So the volumetric titrimetry. So the students quantitative chemical analysis which determines volume of solution of accurately is known as a concentration required to react quantitatively which is with the analytical huge. So concentration to determine the volume of titrant requirement to just compulsory react with the analytical in the titrate. Titration. What is titration? Titration is the process in which the standard reagent is added to a solution of analyte. The reactions between two just completed, and primary standard a reagent solution of accurately is known as a concentration is called standard solution, and standardizations a process to determine the concentration of a solution of non concentration by titrating with primary standard. The endpoints. In the volumetric analysis, the point at which the reactions is observed to the complete in the endpoints. The endpoints is a volumetric methods of analysis is the single that tells the analysis to stop adding reagents and make to final regarding on the burette. Endpoint is observed with the help is indicator and equivalent points. The point at which an equivalent or stoichiometric amounts of titration is added to the analysis based of stoichiometric equations. So the equipments in the volumetric analysis involve a few pieces of equipments: pipettes, burettes, conical flasks, wash bottles, and funnels, and voltammetric flask. Clear? So total 5 requirement in few requirement pieces in volumetric analysis. Pipettes for measurement accurate in a price measurement accurate and volume of the solution, and burette for pouring measurement volume of solution, and conical flask for mixing two solutions, and wash bottles. These contain distillation water for killing equipment, and funnels for transfer of liquid without spilling, and voltammetric flask a flask used to the make up a accurate volumes for solution is known as a concentration. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, तो ये अपने पास हो गए वोल्टामेट्रिक एनालिसिस जो कि सॉल्यूशन के प्यूरिफिकेशन के लिए अपन यूज लेते हैं. ठीक है. और इस जो आप एक प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच है और प्रैक्टिकल अपन वोल्टामेट्रिक एनालिसिस के थ्रू प्यूरिफिकेशन ऑफ सॉल्यूशन का प्यूरिफिकेशन करेंगे और प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपेरिमेंट भी अपन इसका करेंगे. ठीक है. तो उसमें आपको अच्छी एक प्रैक्टिकली एक आप एक तो थ्योरी की तरफ पढ़े अपन, जब प्रैक्टिकली की तरफ पढ़ेंगे तो अपन ईजिली इसको समझ पाएंगे. ठीक है. ओके. तो ये होता है अपने पास वॉल्यूमेट्रिक एनालिसिस. ठीक है. थैंक यू.